Hello, today I'm going to make a juice for people who want to control their blood sugar and want to detox the body. It is very good for immunity, to prevent the viral infections and to remove the toxins from our body, as well as to bring glow to your skin and to lose weight. This juice will improve your health dramatically. If one really wants to look good, the secret is you have to watch what you put in your body. So stay with me up to the end of the video. So let's start. Today I am going to use some antioxidant rich herbs. The first one is moringa. Moringa is also known as drumstick. In South India, almost every household have this plant in their backyard. The leaves of moringa are rich in minerals, vitamins, and other phytonutrients. It is used as potent antioxidant, anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory, anti-diabetic, and antimicrobial agent. It has 7 times more vitamin C than oranges and 15 times more potassium than bananas. It also has calcium, protein, iron, and amino acids which help your body heal and build muscle. It is also packed with antioxidant substances that can protect cells from damage and may boost your immune system. It reduces liver damage and helps restore liver enzymes. It lowers blood sugar levels, improves bone health, improves lactation, helps in weight management. It is good for nervous system, good for detoxification, prevents hair loss and promotes hair growth. Wow, so many benefits and that too without any side effects. The second vegetable I'm going to take is coriander. Coriander helps to lower blood sugar level. It has immune boosting antioxidants. It benefits heart and brain health. It fights infections. It protects your skin. The third vegetable I'm going to take is beet greens. Beet greens boost immunity, lower blood pressure, and boost cardiovascular function. Beet greens improve eye health as they contain beta carotene and lutein. It is very good to prevent advanced macular degeneration. Lutein has anti-inflammatory properties. Beet greens strengthen bones. You know that calcium is required for strong bones. Calcium, along with magnesium, vitamin D, and vitamin K, are important for keeping bones strong. Rich in calcium, beet greens are awesome for strengthening bones and preventing osteoporosis. Those who do not take dairy can take calcium from beet greens. Vitamin K is also integral for building strong bones, and 1 cup of beet greens contain over 100% of your daily required intake. Why vitamin K is important for bones? Vitamin K works with vitamin D to ensure that calcium finds its way to bones to help them properly. I remember once I had severe headache and beet greens were there in my fridge. I drank the juice of beet greens and headache vanished like a magic. Beet greens improve mental health, improves mood and helps for those who have depression. Beet greens boost the blood health, gives you healthy skin. It also contains iron than spinach, so it prevents and treats anemia. Iron is vital part of hemoglobin, the substance found in red blood cells that transports oxygen from your lungs throughout your body. Beet greens improve digestive health. It improves chronic constipation. It has both soluble and insoluble fiber. It encourages healthy bacterial growth in your digestive tract. Beet greens promote healthy teeth as they are high in calcium, magnesium, and vitamin D for promoting strong teeth. Foods high in calcium and magnesium help to build strong enamel which prevents cavities. Vitamin D is essential for aiding calcium absorption. For those who are sensitive to oxalates, they should boil the leaves and then use it. Beet greens are high in vitamin K. So if you're taking anticoagulants, then you may be encouraged to avoid dark leafy greens. If you have health concerns, please check with your physician. I'm going to use now lemon. It helps to prevent kidney stones, improve skin quality, promote hydration, aids digestion, and reduces cancer risk. It also improves digestive health. It has a lot of vitamin C that is good for your heart. I'm also going to use cucumber. It is low in calories but high in many important vitamins and minerals. It promotes hydration. It has antioxidants and has magnesium, potassium, and vitamin K. These three nutrients are vital for proper functioning of the cardiovascular system. Cucumber decreases bad cholesterol and reduces blood sugar levels. So our juice is now ready. Do not store the juice, otherwise the enzymes will get destroyed. We have to drink it immediately. If you like my video, please press like button and share and subscribe to get the future videos. Thanks for watching.